Here's the sign, entrance sign for the truck stop. Hello everybody, thank you for joining us for another Iowa video. This one is about our time spent at Iowa 80 Truck Stop. If you don't know, Iowa 80 is the world's largest truck stop. It is located not far from the Mississippi River at exit 284, adjacent to the small town of Walcott. Opening its doors in 1964, it is home away from home for countless truck drivers and is considered a destination for travelers as well. When you first walk in the doors, you are met with a wall of photos and a mural that show the information about the truck stop along with a lot of interesting facts. The coolest part was how they honor truckers and the work they do. When you stop by, be sure to spend a few minutes in the entrance. I will definitely be leaving a link in the description so you can get more information about this truck stop. Here you will find operating hours for all of the different areas, which floors things are located on, and phone numbers for the areas where you might need an appointment. There is an interactive map so you can see what all is available for you during your visit. Here is an example of what the app looks like. Here's some of what you can expect to see. They have several events each year, so check the schedule for those. You'll find multiple restaurant choices, a big gift shop, a cafe-style kitchen, and even a place to get your furry friend cleaned up. Of course, you'll find anything you could possibly need for your road adventures. There is way too much to list here, so be sure to check out their website. Truckers' needs are met with a diesel fuel center, truck service center, Truckomat truck wash, cat scale, 24 private showers, among other things. What we didn't expect to see were two semis, one with a trailer on it, inside the building. This one was on a slow turning revolving floor, so it was fun to get a time lapse of it. Speaking of trucks, there is a truck museum on the property, in case you just have some time to kill or need to stretch your legs. This is your reminder that we'll have more Iowa videos, so please don't forget to like and subscribe.
Hey everybody, we're here in Iowa 80, and I'm just picking up this shirt because it matches this really cool truck. It says Corn Patch Cadillac. And here's
It's a very cool truck.
very cool truck.
This is, so what's special about Iowa 80?
Iowa 80 is the largest truck stop in the world. Over 130,000 square feet just in this one building.
And it said it was like stacking two
Two of the largest
buggies,
which is in Texas.
Yeah, on top of each other.
each other. There's a whole other thing. We've got movie theaters, we've got dog, pet, we've got doctors, we've got dentists, there's all kinds of stuff.
And it said it's the main building here is 130 square foot.
130,000 square feet.
Yes. Pretty, very cool place.
Very awesome. Bye.
Iowa 80 is open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. In fact, they haven't closed their doors since opening day in 1964. We still checked their hours before going, which is always a good idea, but it sounds like you will be able to visit anytime, day or night, if you are in the area. Be sure to add it to your list of things to see in Iowa. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next one.